Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Mia. Today I'm going to share a day in my life. Today, we're going to cook a meal before the kids come home from school. I'm cooking chicken legs today because the kids really enjoy them. For this dish, we need chicken legs, potatoes, garlic, tomatoes. Then we mix all the ingredients together really well. After mixing, we place everything in a baking tray. Then we add butter on top of everything. Butter adds great flavor and helps the dish cook nice and tender. Next, we cover everything with foil. Then we put it in the oven at 450 dF for 1 hour. While the dish is cooking, I'll do some studying. I spend an hour every day studying English to get even better at it. I apologize in advance for any mistakes in the video. The dish is ready, and thank you for being with me today.